Cleared by Dummett. De Bruyne! Oh, that is outstanding! Truly brilliant!
Took it away from Costa. It's Matic with the ball driver! Matic!
And Sigurdsson might get a striker goal here, he will! Off the crossbar and in! Everton are level!
Lampard looking to pull it back, and Essien! It's a fantastic start for Chelsea!
For trying to block off the charger, who is Fortune. Risa! Oh my goodness! Gracious me!
Not by Alvaro Pereira, hit by James! Oh, what a goal! What a...
Alexis Sanchez. It's Giroud! Oh,
what a goal!
Utterly magnificent!